How to refund Roblox items without contacting Roblox support. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Roblox application. After that, from your bottom right corner, go to More. Now, go to your inventory. All the items that you have purchased will appear in this inventory section. Now, alongside the item that you purchased will also appear a three-dot line. Simply tap on it, and then in the drag down menu, you will see an option of refund item. Since I do not have purchased any items, my inventory is blank. So if you have purchased, you will also see an option of refund, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.